Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing Call of Duty with myself because I don't have any friends. Anyways, let's continue the match. Today I am playing Call of Duty all alone. So, how is your day going? My day is going pretty good. You guys should subscribe and click the notification bell down below. Anyways, I have chosen the ability called Clown because it helps in pushing out people out of buildings. You'll come to know soon. Not right now because I'm flying. Obviously, you can see over here. So, anyways, how is your day going? My day is going pretty good. I learned cycling. Yes, I learned cycling and swimming. My holidays are going on, so you'll get more frequent uploads. Like in 2-3 days, I'm uploading another video with my friends this time. Actually, you won't see them, you won't hear them because I tried recording with my friends one time, but it won't work because I don't know why the software is having some problems. It won't record my friends' voices. So we're gonna come up with some solution or something. Anyways, I want to get to at least 100 subscribers. Right now I'm at around 85 to 87 subscribers. Please guys, help me get to 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers. Anyways, I'll show you guys cycling. I've said this in a very old video that I'll show you guys how I cycle once I get to 100 subscribers. Oh yeah, you can see there's a guy inside, right? We'll throw this in. He might be outside, by the way. Dogs spawning in. They're going out. See, this is what it's doing. It's gonna make him shoot the dogs, and then he's gonna start reloading. Then he's gonna have less bullets. Till then, I can start firing at him. There we go. See? Good idea. Boom. Killed him. Get the stuff over here. The main aspect of Call of Duty, what I think, is looting like a lot and lot. Oh god, he has a big gun. Run. Do 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 do. Killed him. Lube. Loser. Noob. No one cares. Lol. Get lost. Anyways, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and catch him. A few days ago, what happened was at school, we made this group. Right? Over here, one more guy, 1 second. Like, I was the guy who got the idea. So what I started doing was asking for everyone's numbers, and everyone gave their numbers in the classroom. Yep, it's chill. It's chill, bro. Ooh. Yeah, the classroom's chill, the teachers are chill, everything. Okay, so anyways, I asked them to give the phone number, and now I've added them into a group. And now every day someone just keeps leaving the group and keeps asking me to add them back. Every day, they're just like complete idiotic people. They're like, you should not eat onions, you should eat onions. They'll fight on that crap. Who fights on that? What is this? If you want to eat onions, you eat onions. You don't want to eat onions, you do not eat onions. It's as simple as that. I'm not exaggerating. And there's one guy and he's very annoying. Okay? He's really annoying. He speaks so loudly, okay? During school, he'll be like in this thing. What do you call it? Where do you eat tiffin? The cafeteria. Yes. In our school, we just eat in the basketball court. Basketball court. Anyways, so he speaks so loudly. You can hear him from the other corner of the basketball court while everyone else is talking. You can see this guy over here on the screen towards the right. That guy, yes, him. He's the guy. He is so annoying. Anyways, I'll change my perspective. Whatever we are doing right now, we are running on the bridge to the other side. Next time you guys should give me an idea what to do as a challenge in the comments, like one gun challenge or one type of ammo challenge or whatever, something like that. Anyways, what I'm saying is you guys should subscribe to me, and I'm gonna try somehow, either I'm gonna like do something, but I'm gonna record a video with my friends and I'm gonna put their links also in the description of the next video when I upload with them. That time you guys should subscribe to them. And also tell me if you would like a 2-game video. Normally what I do is I play only 1 game of it, right? So I would like to try 2 games of video. I have tried that before, but let's see if we can go on a win streak next time. Okay, spawn in dogs. Is there anyone? Oh, there's someone. Loser. Losers here, boys. We can see him. Oh, where is he? Oh, there he is, idiot. That idiot's there. That idiot's there. The dogs are going back. Bye-bye, doggies. Bow, bow, bow. They go back the same path they come. They will never take a shortcut. Like what? Why won't you not take a shortcut? Oh, why? Oh god, this place is gonna explode. I'm gonna... Oh, the thing already vanished, so it won't explode. It will just... so anyways, okay. You guys tell me stories about your school. So till then I'll tell you one more story in some time. Anyway, because right now there's 50 people. Once we reach less than 50 people, less than 20 people, then I'll start telling the story. Anyway, till then I'll get this upgrade over here. What do you guys think about Friends? No, not the series. Normal friends. Human beings. I like my friends. Ooh. Ow! Ow! Ah! 48th place, very, very bad. One more game right now. Anyways, so we're gonna play one more game. At least, I want to get at least below 20. YouTube, I need to get below 20. See, you know, there's this guy right now who just messaged me, right? He's one of those people from the group. He's also very annoying. Not that annoying. He's my good friend. Oh, if you're watching, you're not annoying, but you're annoying. You're annoying, but you're not annoying, okay? No, I do not want to play together. Jesus. Okay, anyway, so I'm going to continue playing. One more match. Let's see what rank can I get. Like, under 20 or what? I want to get at least under 20 or top 4. I'm trying to get first place. Yes. So I'll tell you another story. What happened was one time. I think I've told this in an old thing before. Okay, let me think of a new one. 1 second. Till then, we'll take clown. No, I'll take scout this time. Okay, so basically, what scout does, it tells me the location of people who are nearby me in how many meters? In some meters. And I can see their footprints. Like this guy, that guy who's running over there, you can see him walk and I can see his footprints, so I can keep following him if I lose him. Super useful. And over here in the map, if you see, you can see many red dots. Those are enemies. Over here right now in the starting lobby, there are a lot of enemies. Anyways, next time, what do you think about doing a snipers only challenge? Next video without my friends will be a snipers only challenge. That's good. Anyways, this video is going to be go on YouTube, so I can't say swear words. So maybe it might take long time because my friends swear a lot. For some reason, they swear way more than me. IDKY. Okay, so one time during class, we had this debate going on if which age was better, the computer age or age before computers. And me and 2-3 other friends were on the group of computer age is better than non-computer age. I over here getting angry by the entire class because they're choosing that, and then they're giving like the most random topics, because now new computers, they don't let you talk to your friends, you can't play with them. I'm like, Jesus, play Call of Duty, play this thing, play that thing, you can talk through WhatsApp, Discord, there's so much stuff. Oh, you can't go and book tickets in the airport because it had a different font. Why do you want to burn in the morning sun trying to get damn tickets for a plane? To meet that one relative who you don't even care about in this world, you're just going there because your parents are taking you. You don't even want to. For that, you want to go there every day for like the past month just to get tickets? I'm sorry, which world are you living in? This is 2022, people. Wait, it's 2022, right? Yes. Yeah, yesterday I had this thing going on with me. If it was 2021 or 2022. One friend of mine said 2023. And I'm like, I would be 13 if it was 2023. Ooh. Anyways, because I'm 11 right now. I'll become 12 in December. My birthday is on 21st December 2010. I was born. I don't know why I'm telling so much personal info. Alright, YouTube's alright. Please delete. Beep, beep. Anyways, over here, who watches Naruto? Who finds Naruto interesting? Why do people hate Naruto? My friends hate Naruto because they think it's boring. Do you not see the amount of hard work it takes them, like so many hundreds of hours to make one episode? And it is actually fun. It's not just some boring crap or something. Okay, now I'll see if there are enemies. Oh, the misery. Oh my god! Ooh. Hello, Bromo. Ah! 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 The best Call of Duty player ever! Ah! Bro, the amount of people over here is way too much. Way too much. There's gotta be more now. There are so many right now over here. There were so many. Where are they all gone? Where are they gone? I'm become lonely. No. Nah, there's one more here. He's moving. Bruh. And one more. Down. Let's see how many kills I'll get just over here. Once again, let this charge and then I'll run towards the other side. Bro, there are a lot of people here though. Never seen that many in launch base. It's not even a high tier loot zone today. Why are there so many people just coming here? I mean, it does give you a lot of snipers. Hello. Hello, bro. How you doing? Nah, you can't run away. You can't run away. You can't run away. And one more killed. Let's recharge our armor. And then we'll continue. Who do you think was the original person to think of maths? Like, oh yeah, who likes maths? Like a lot of maths. Do you like your math exams? I don't think anyone likes exams, but maths exams are boring as heck. I had the science exam, final science exam to enter 7th standard. Yes, I'm in 7th standard. Okay, I finished with like 1 hour to spare. One entire damn hour to spend. You can't talk to the person sitting next to you. You'll get -5 or something for it. Then you can't do anything else. You know what's called the actual this thing of boring? What do you call it? The actual definition of boring? Sitting there for 1 hour doing nothing but crapping. Nothing. Literally nothing. Nothing to do at all. And you're like, Krishna, you complain all the time. Bro, you would know if you sat for 1 hour in the entire exam after you write it quickly thinking that you would fail, even though you're studying for the past month. Yes, I like science more than maths. The worst subject I don't like at all is French. Why are they teaching me French? French, teach them to French people. French should be taught to French people. I mean, yeah, I get it. Only if we go to like some other country, specifically France, because in Europe they mostly speak Spanish, English, and 2-3 other languages I don't care about. Okay, I would not need French. And why would someone think of going to France just because they learn French in school? Bro, tickets are so expensive. And there's this place in Goa. I live in Goa. I know you guys know that because of that one video of mine, which it just shows a lot of mist. I don't think anyone's here, is there? There's no one here. I'm safe. I'll go down. Okay, so there's this place in the Museum of Goa. Over there, these people, they become like clowns. It's not a circus. It's just, what do you call it? La La Land. It's kind of like a circus, but not a circus. It's just there. It's just there. Not even the entire year. And the tickets for children are 100, and the ticket for adults is 400. For Americans, it would be $1 and some money for children, $1 and some cents for children, and for adults it would be, in America, it would be 1 second. Oh, what is it? 7 $5 and some cents. $5 and some cents. For us, it is 400 rupees. Okay, anyways, what do you guys think? Is America or India better? Where do you wanna go? Have you guys heard the song Rasputin? Rah, rah, Rasputin, Russia's famous love machine. There was a cat that really was gone. Can't go under this. I don't know why they have made an army base if you can't hide under the place. That's useless then. Bruh, are there no more enemies? There's 50 almost. There's 44 people. One time when I was monitor, I guess you guys know what a monitor is. I don't know if you know or you know. Okay, so one time I was monitor and I had to go get some chalk for the teacher. There was some chalk in the class. And Indians, they don't take that much concept of time. Yeah, when there's something important, we'll take concept of time. Otherwise, 1 minute, we'll be like, yeah, I'm coming back from the washroom in 1 minute. You could take half an hour and come, and the other guy would say nothing, because that's how Indians have the concept of time. I mean, we know the time, yes, but still, we don't ask about time that much. We just do what we are doing. In other places, you'll be like, yeah, he's coming in 1 minute, so I'll just be there then, I guess. The guy is right here. Bro, there's a guy with a helicopter. There's just a guy with a helicopter. I don't even see him. Oh, there he is. Yeet! Someone yeeted him. Yeet! Damn, bro. Ooh, let's snipe him from this rock over here. Let's see if I can find him first of all. Because finding an enemy is way more important than sniping him. Well, you are finding him to snipe him. Ah! Killed one. Bro, what? Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm fine. I'm happy. I'm not crying right now at all. Anyways, at this point, I'm just gonna end the video. Next video will be coming out with my friends. We'll see how we can do it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.